Loading. Loading complete.
This is not a sponsored video. Hello everyone, and welcome back to Topics and Reviews. I'm your host, an evolving knowledge seeker and a learning enthusiast, back with another exciting video. Hello everyone, today I'm talking about the AttackShark X98 Pro, a high-value, tri-mode mechanical keyboard that's been turning heads lately. Whether you're gaming, working, or just typing away, this board brings a lot to the table. And speaking of a lot, it is 299 dirhams, $81.42 as of this recording according to Amazon.ae, and 217.23 dirhams, $59.15 according to AttackShark website. Let's dive into what makes it special. Okay, first up, the specs. The X98 Pro is a 99-key layout keyboard. It's compact, but still gives you a number pad and full-function keys. It supports 3 modes of connectivity: Bluetooth 5.0, 2.4 GHz wireless adapter, and USB-C wired. Underneath, it uses a gasket-mounted structure to give a more flexible, cushioned typing feel. For sound dampening, AttackShark packed in 5 layers of muffler-filling foam, boron, XPE, PET, DEPDM, etc., to cut down on ding and hollowness. The PCB is FR4 double layer with a single key slotted design. On top of all that, there's a 1.5-inch LED screen and a CNC knob. You can use the knob for volume, change lighting modes, or even set custom GIFs on the screen via software. Keycaps are double-shot PBT, which means they're durable and don't wear out quickly. Battery life is solid thanks to its 4,000 mAh rechargeable battery. Finally, there's full RGB backlighting, 16 million colors, and full key anti-ghosting. Here's what I really like about the X98 Pro. Versatility. With tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz adapter, USB-C, it's great for switching between devices. Typing feel. The gasket mount plus the 5-layer dampening gives it a soft, refined sound, more premium than a lot of budget boards. Hot swappable switches. You can swap out switches, 3-pin or 5-pin without soldering. The little screen plus knob. This is such a cool touch. It's not just decorative, it's functional and helps with media control and personalization. Build quality, PBT keycaps, solid chassis, and anti-ghosting make it feel very well built for the price. On the flip side, software and driver reliance. To use the screen's GIFs or make advanced customizations, you need to install their web and cloud driver, and some users have reported issues. Weight and size. At 99 keys plus a knob and display, it's not ultra compact. Might take more desk space than a 75% board, and the knob is a bit wobbly and plastic. Battery trade-offs. While 4,000 mAh is good, using RGB heavily or using high sampling modes might eat into that. Stock switches. The pre-installed linear Blueberry switches are smooth, but might not be for everyone. If you want another switch, you'll need to swap them. The X98 Pro comes with custom linear Blueberry switches from the factory. However, some say the switches are the holy panda that has a tactile feel to it. The linear Blueberry switches are smooth linear switches, no tactile bump or loud click. Because the board is hot swappable, supporting both 3-pin and 5-pin, you can easily swap these out for different switches later. I would like to add that the origin of linear Blueberry switches varies depending on the specific model, as multiple companies have released switches with similar names. Some are from China, manufactured by companies like Ajaz and Shenzhen Matthew Technology. Others, like the now discontinued Novel Keys Blueberry, which was tactile, not linear, were developed by US-based companies. The Denkeeps Blueberry Milk linear switches are also an American product. Now, let me show you how the keyboards sound. Here's what the stock Blueberry switches sound. To wrap up, I think the Attack Shark X98 Pro offers incredible value. For a mid-budget price range, you're getting premium-feeling build, great battery, hot swap flexibility, and that unique screen plus knob combo. It's perfect if you want a do-it-all keyboard, good for gaming, work, and everyday use. That said, if you're super picky about switches, or you were expecting QMK via firmware support, you might find better options elsewhere once you factor in the cost of swapping switches. Would I recommend it? Absolutely yes, especially to someone who likes to tinker, values versatility, and appreciates the little extras, like the screen and the knob. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Topics and Reviews, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Together, let's keep the flame of curiosity burning bright. Until next time, stay curious, everyone.